Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, we have a special episode. We will be reviewing one of the most unique and rare pairs of sneakers from Adidas, the Spring-Summer 07 materials of the World Germany series. These sneakers feature a unique design and premium materials that are worth discussing. Let's get started! I think these sneakers will be a coveted item for sneaker collectors. Each size had only 663 pairs released. Before we dive into the details, let's talk about what the materials of the World Series represents. In 2007, Adidas launched this line to highlight the cultural and material heritage of different countries. Germany, as part of this series, represents a powerful blend of tradition and innovation. This particular pair embodies German engineering and attention to detail. The design was inspired by the architecture and textures associated with Germany. The upper part is made of high-quality leather and suede, giving the sneakers a luxurious look and increased durability. Special attention is given to textured elements and stitching, which resemble traditional German patterns. On the tongue, you'll find the Adidas logo and the materials of the World Series symbol. When it comes to comfort, Adidas always excels. These sneakers are not an exception. They feature a cushioned insole and a comfortable outsole, providing excellent support and comfort all day long. These sneakers are perfect for both casual wear and dressier outfits. They can easily be paired with jeans and a t-shirt for a casual look or with trousers and a shirt for a more elegant style. Their versatility makes them a great addition to any wardrobe. Thanks to the high-quality materials and neutral color palette, they pair easily with various styles and outfits. In conclusion, the Adidas Spring-Summer 07 materials of the World Germany series are truly unique and stylish sneakers. They perfectly combine cultural heritage and modern design, making them an essential part of any sneaker collection. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell not to miss new reviews. Leave a comment about what you think of these sneakers and which other models you'd like to see reviewed. See you soon!